Hi, welcome back. In this session, we are going to discuss about union, union all, and merge join. Union operator is used to combine the results set of two or more select statements. So there are some prerequisites of union. Each selected statement within the union must have the same number of columns. So each select statement is to have the same number of columns. Column must also have the similar data types. That's important. Column in each statement must also be the same order. By default, union operator removes all duplicate rows from the result sets. However, if you want to retain the duplicates, you need to specify the all keyword. So that is the union all. So let's jump into SQL Server Management Studio for the real example. Open up SQL Server Management Studio. Click on Connect, Database Engine, and the server name is already there. Click on Connect, and we have connected. So let's see the union example. In union, there will be no duplicate. In this case, we're going to use the AdventureWorks production.product database. Let's remove some column actually. This up to size, select up to size, delete. Okay, here also select to size. So we have two select statement, the same product.productable. If you select here, as you can see here, 504 records. So from AdventureWorks 2019 production.product database. I believe you have already restored. In the first session I did it actually while we beginning the demo. And as you can see here, number of the column are the same and order of the column are the same. The reason I keep it simple so that you can understand easily. So in the same query I put again, and I just put union. As we know that union removes the duplicate, let's see what is happening. Union, and we have 504 records, so it removes the duplicate. So far so good. This is up to here. Union all. Okay, what is union all? Union all operator is used to combine the result sets of two or more select statements. It doesn't remove the duplicates. So it is not going to remove any duplicates. So each select statement within the union all must have the same number of fields in the result sets of the similar data types. Similar as the union need to be the same data type, and also the number of fields should be the same. All right. What is the difference between union and union all? Union removes duplicate rows. Union all doesn't remove duplicate rows. Let's jump into SQL Server Management Studio. Alright, we are back in the Management Studio, and just make a little space over here. Similar query as I used for the union, I keep it similar. Same query, I just put all, and I want to see what happens. I believe there will be duplicates because it doesn't remove duplicates. All the columns, number of columns, and the order is the same, which is prerequisite for union and union all. Let's execute this selected part and see what happens. You can see here union all. How many records is returned? As you can see here, 1008 records. It doesn't remove duplicate. So that is the union all. Alright, let's move. What is merge join? Merge join transformation provides an output that is produced by joining two sorted data sets using full left or inner join. So merge join transformation requires that both input to be sorted and where the join column have the matching metadata. So the join columns needs to be the matching metadata. Okay, so the merge join algorithm is designed to touch every record in each table only once. It cannot handle many-to-many relationship. There is no setup cost. It doesn't require memory. The first rows return immediately as soon as the match is found. At least one column in join condition needs to use an equality comparison. The merge join algorithm is certainly the most efficient algorithm available in SQL Server. However, it requires both input to be sorted the same way. So sorting is important, and also the same data type is also metadata is important. Let's go to SQL Server. So for the merge join demo, I'm going to create two tables, very simple table. As you can see, merge 1 ID and value, and merge 2 ID and value. Let's create those two tables. Select this two table script, execute. Table is created, executed. So let's refresh the database. Okay, as you can see here, I have two tables created, merge 1 and merge 2. I'm going to insert some records. Let's click on merge 1, edit 200. Okay, let's say 1, value 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay, this is merge 1. And the merge 2, similar way, I'll insert records 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. Okay, so far so good. In this section, we are going to enable execution plan. As you can see here, just hover over the mouse over here, include execution, actual execution plan. There are two execution plan actually, estimated, you see, estimated execution plan and actual execution plan. We just want to enable this one and want to see, once we run the merge join, is it really sorting happens or what happens. As you can see here in the merge join, we mentioned the merge in the inner join and ID from two table, and select statistics IO on. Just want to show you some information. Let's run this part. All right, see what happened. Okay, so if you select the masses, as you can see here, merge, scan count, logical read, anytime you want to see the logical read, logical write, then you can turn it on, statistics IO on, and after the query, statistics IO off. Makes sense. As per merge join, we want to see is there record sorting happens. As you can see here, table A, so anytime you hover over the mouse from the operator, you can see here all these informations coming up. So at this moment we don't need to go over those information. So in this case, as you can see here, this is a merge join, and table scan happens, table A and table B, and order is sorted. So this is how the merge join works. So that's all about merge join. Thank you and have a good day.